Hey, it's H here. Today we are taking a look at technical analysis for PayPal holdings. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave theory and provide target and invalidation levels for the presented count. Let's get going. Starting from a daily time frame, we have completed the wave 1 of cycle up here. Then we have been crashing really badly, coming down, and possibly found some kind of bottom here. Let's take a look. This is my first count that I still have as my primary. I'm thinking this as a 5-wave structure completing an A wave. Then we're looking for B wave and then another leg downwards, taking these lows into the C wave here. Now of course there is possibilities here within it to trade, and I'm most likely going to do that if a proper setup appears. Now for this 5-wave structure here for the A wave, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. For the last legs here, we did have a 5-wave sequence or 5-wave structure here. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On a high time frame, we can see multiple different divergences between this minor structure 3 and the 5th. We do have a divergence. We do have a divergence within the 5th with this minute 3rd and the 5th of minute, and within this last leg of this 5th of minute in this minute count 3rd and 5th. So everything is lining up that there is something completed down here. Whether it is actually this count or something else, we are not sure yet. Now the other option here is this one, where we have an ABC, very small X, and then another ABC coming down. Now this comes right to the basically invalidation points at 1.618 here that we don't really want to see get past. Now this did get past it on a logarithmic scale. Of course nothing gets past that kind of move on arithmetic, so we can't really measure it in there. I'm still keeping this count, however, as just an alternate one. Now whether this is actually completed, the wave 2 here, is questionable. Just because we don't have the amount of time it usually takes for this to complete, has not really been used at all. The wave 2 should use at least a third basically of that move, but we haven't even taken that. We have, let's see how much we've taken, 0.1 maybe, 0.15, basically. We've taken 14%. 14% of this whole structure that we created to dump it down to the, well, good levels for thinking this is a wave 2. We are right now at the golden pocket here, which is a really good area to look for longs overall. And people most likely have done that. We got some kind of bounce here. We're going to be looking into that, if that is a corrective looking or a impulsive looking structure, in just a moment. But yeah, overall I don't think this wave 2 is done, just based off the time here. Now again, let's jump into the setup we have here on lower time frame. Again, as none of the bottoms usually are, this one is not clear either. I've seen these so many times, but now I can just say that we have an A, B and C, possible 1 or a W. Let's take a look at the bullish count first. So saying that this is a 1. In here we could have a 3-wave structure here into wave 2, and then we could be looking at higher prices for 3rd, 4th and 5th. Now it is possible to say that we have an A, B and C. Whoops. I can't grab it here. And see here, this would get us this 3rd, 4th and 5th over here, or this one or the other. At this point we would have completed a wave 1 of some larger degree, and that is definitely possible. It doesn't look too bad, it measures pretty okay, and yeah, it is fine. There is also a possibility that this is just the third here, but at that point again wave 4 here should be smaller than wave 2, just because wave 3 is smaller than wave 1. For contracts in diagonals, that is something that needs to happen. So let's put an invalidation point for that idea right here. Okay. But yeah, if price gets below that, we know that this idea of wave 4 being here is gone. And yeah, we would want to see a visually nice looking structure as well. But yeah, that is one idea. Now let's take a look at the bearish one, saying that we have this as a WX coming down here, and then we would have again a wave Y up here. At this point we would be looking for again something to be completed, but instead of being bullish, we would have completed a corrective structure of this sort. Now at this point we would be starting to look for again shorting possibilities downwards if we would be brave enough. I'm not going to be doing that, as I am not brave for this PayPal stock at the moment. I want to see a 5-wave structure somewhere and in one of the other direction before I'm going to be taking any place. Especially that since we have not taken out the previous highs here. When we are going to be taking these highs out, then I am pretty sure that we have at least some kind of bullish momentum. Whether this is an A wave or a 1 wave, we don't know about that. But again, if we are going to take out these highs here, even just a wick here, and then correcting for a possible wave 2, and we can see a 5-wave structure here, then I would be looking for that long possibility somewhere down here to get that C wave or the 3rd wave. But yeah, that's pretty much everything I wanted to share on PayPal. Not much confirmed yet here, but looking for the signs of life for this one possibly. If you have other accounts you would like to share or have an opinion for, there's a link in the description for my Discord server where I share other accounts as well. And yeah, if you would like me to update a certain asset, let me know as well in the comments below. And for now, I thank you for watching and hopefully see you on the next video as well. Bye bye.